Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Logan, and today I want to share my story about why I chose to become a real estate agent at just 18 years old. If you ever considered getting into real estate, or even if you're just curious about the industry, stick around because I'm going to break it down for you. So, why real estate? It comes down to five big reasons. Number one, the flexibility. Real estate offers a level of freedom that most traditional 9 to 5 jobs just can't. Don't get me wrong, it's still a lot of work. As your own boss, you're in control of your own schedule. For me, this was the game changer. I'm someone who doesn't want to feel boxed into a rigid routine. The flexibility allows me to set appointments when it works for me and still have time for my personal life. But flexibility doesn't mean you can slack off. You have to be disciplined. There are mornings I'm up early studying the market, afternoons spent prospecting, and evenings optimizing my systems. The beauty is, I can plan those around what works best for me. Reason number two, your earnings reflect your hard work. Real estate is one of those careers where your effort directly translates to your income. I knew early on that I wanted a job where I'd be rewarded for working hard, not just punching a clock. If you're willing to hustle, work consistently, and build relationships, real estate has a lot of income potential. For example, I remember my first lead call. My hands were shaking, my heart was racing, but I pushed through it. And that call turned into a potential client. Every bit of effort counts. The more you put in, the more you get back. Reason number three, no college degree needed. I didn't want to rack up a ton of student loan debt. College just didn't feel like the right path for me. But I also wanted a career that didn't have a financial ceiling. That's when real estate really stood out. Sure, there are upfront costs like licensing and courses, but those are nowhere near the cost of 4 years of college. Getting my real estate license gave me a chance to hit the ground running while still building a solid career for myself. What really appealed to me was how quickly I could get started. I didn't have to wait years to start earning. I jumped in, learned as much as I could, and started applying it right away. Reason number four, low barrier to entry. Compared to many careers, real estate doesn't require years of schooling or extensive prerequisites. With dedication, you can complete the necessary courses, pass the licensing exam, and get started fairly quickly. For me, that was huge. I wanted a career path that didn't take forever to launch, but still offered real growth opportunities. It's not an easy path, but it's accessible. You don't need a fancy degree to succeed, just commitment, people skills, and a willingness to keep learning. Reason number five, running my own business. I love the idea of being in charge of my success, creating my brand, and connecting with people on my own terms. It's rewarding to know that every decision I make directly impacts my business, and that sense of ownership really pushes me every day. At 18, most people would say you're crazy for skipping college to jump into real estate. But here I am, and I wouldn't change a thing. It's given me freedom, opportunity, and a career path that I'm proud of. So, whether you're considering a switch to real estate, thinking about buying or selling a home, or just here to learn more, I hope this video gives you a new perspective on what being a real estate agent can look like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate related content. I've got lots of tips, insider info, and stories coming your way, so I'll see you in the next video.